ready for another food trip day?
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So we're gonna try a new...
Aki-waki.
Yeah, so we're gonna try a new restaurant. And Ate, you will read the name of the restaurant, okay?
Because it's in Thai.
It's in Thai. So let's go.
Hi guys, we're in Pong.
What is that again?
Kun
Kun Pong. Ayan daw yun. So let's go. Go.
Let's go.
So naghahanap sila ng sushi. Let's see kung unlimited sushi sila.
Hey, Arina. Diri na tayo.
Oras namin itong hinanap. Oh my gosh. Dali ha. Tangatun, pakati.
How about you?
Dami ka na.
Okay.
Nagpasok mo pa lang, amoy beef na. Gosh. Let's go.
30เราจะคิดครึ่งราคาค่ะแต่ถ้าต่ำกว่า100ขึ้นลงมาเราจะไม่คิดค่าลูกค้า
อันนี้100เท่าไหร่นะ130ถ้าถึง130ก็มีเป็นผู้ใหญ่แล้วเหรออ๋อโอเคso si ate matangkad na kaya ang price niya daw
Portion natin.
ang price niya ay wow look at thisอันนี้ค่ะได้ทั้งหมดเลยค่ะลูกค้าโอเค
ด้านนี้เป็นเนื้อนะคะด้านนั้นเป็นหมูค่ะ
โอเค
Alin
ค่ะ
ba pipili natin? Kahit alin dito?
oh kahit alin daw wow this is for what is that beef galore daddy aloy
Kahit alin.
oo orderเอาอันนี้นะคะ
น้ำเต๋าหมักซอสนะคะ
ฮะ
Kahit pag naubos, pwede mo rin kumuha dito.
oo
Hindi.
parang maano yun dad
Subukan lang.
sigeเอาอันนั้นด้วยค่ะ
เสือร้องไห้นะคะ
sirloin
เอากี่ที่ค่ะลูกค้า
เอา2ที่นะคะ
เสือร้องไห้2ที่ค่ะ
แล้วเอาอะไรคะเอาอะไร smell so good มีที่นี่ก็มีซูชิด้วยไหมคะ
นี่ค่ะลูกค้า
ayun ang sushi ano
Where ซูชิจะอยู่ด้านนี้
oh sushi is over there นั่นไงเอาอันนี้กับอันนี้ด้วยค่ะ
เอาอย่างละกี่คำคะ
เอาอันนี้เอา6ได้ไหมคะ
6 คำนะคะ
Unlimited niya?
เอาอันนี้ด้วยค่ะ you can see it from here ate look there no there look at there ayun get the sushi dali wow เท่ากันค่ะ
Look.
wow so this is beef galore do you want some bacon okay oh go in go
Pork or...
parang masarap mag beef na lang tayo no
Magkano price doon tayo? Kami na lang dalawa.
busy silang maglaro kaya kami na lang mag-video so I think this is all about beef more on beef sila pero may pork din pero ang pork lagi nating makakain yan eh so let's go for the beef Wow, first bite, Daddy.
Filter pag first bite.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Masarap.
First bite. Eto. Did you see this? Sushi beef. Wow.
What's it?
Mm-hmm.
Masarap yun. You want this one?
Try.
Mamaya na yung drink niya. Gutom na ako. Isang oras kami naghanap ng mga kainan. Dito lang pala.
Malapit lang pala. Nasa likod bahay lang namin.
Layo na, nalibot na namin ang buong probinsya namin.
Wow, look at this. And this. And this. And the sauce. And those. And Ate is enjoying her sushi. And Feifei is enjoying her game.
Libre si Pepe.
Libre daw si Fei. Si Ate, sinusulit niya yung bayad niya.
Sige ate, go na.
Go, Ate. Yan. Sige yan.
Dito pala yun.
Pwede siyang dip in lang na ganito. Dip in. Then, kasaw-kasaw na konti. Then, all done. Wow. Tikman natin. Ayaw ko lagyan ng sauce kasi gusto kong i-enjoy yung tunay na flavor niya.
Sarap siya. Hindi siya kiwi.
Kaya.
Pwede makuha ng kaya mo.
Sila ang kukuha dito. Ano ka lang? Order ka lang. Then may rice sila doon. Tapos sila na, ay si, ano ka lang, ito. Ay, ano ba?
There's more sushi. There's no more.
You can
Order
tell.
ka doon, anak.
You can tell them.
Dali. Ito yung grass jelly. Ang tawag din dito. Grass jelly, anak.
Mommy is eating grass.
It's yucky, don't eat it.
It's yum. Ba't ko hinipan? I forgot to put something. Ice. Hindi mo nalagay.
They are having their dessert.
So they got this there.
You got so many things like this. This is spicy. Where's the bacon? And this ham. Yes, I like ham.
Which one do you like?
This one. Yay!
Fun? Oh yeah, we forgot to order this. They also have this and this. Wow! They have this unlimited watermelon. Where is your favorite thing?
Cheese garlic bread.
Yes, they have. But that one is a different price. Where is your favorite, Faye?
This one.
Oh, that one? We didn't have the chance to taste it. But I think this one is more yummy. Let's go. Where is your favorite? They also have these frozen things you can buy.
Ooh.
And this one.
Last time there is blueberry.
How many ka?
No, we already.
Okay.
Candy flavor.
Yeah.
Pinky Winky. And last time there's blueberry.
Excuse me, anak. They also have soju, spice.
Soju?
Yes, and chang. They also have these two kinds of rice. They have this
Fried rice.
fried rice
And
and
rice.
kasawai.
And this one.
And this one, this is the grass jelly. And the ice. What are there for drinks? What are drinks?
Pepsi.
Coke Zero, Pepsi Zero, what else?
And another Pepsi. This is butterfly cream and then water.
Water, yes. Bye! Let's go!